I wanted to do more dressy videos and I invested in this little light and I completely forgot that I ordered this. It is Sunday. I have done everything that I needed to do for Saturday, but I've still got work to do that I have to get out of the way before Monday gets here. Space is tidy. I have been really productive from 9 to 12 o'clock. I've done some serious deep work. And then I was about to go and get a hot chocolate. There's this spot in Primrose Hill that it literally sells the best hot chocolate, I think, in the entire country. But I thought to myself, don't be a big back. You don't need a hot chocolate. You don't need to treat yourself with food. You are not a dog. If you get that reference, you get that reference. So I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna go on the Stairmaster and I'm gonna bang out 30 minutes on there.
Take your time. Oh. Arms tight, back over with the arms. Nice and wide, go, 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 go. Not bad.